Hey y'all, and good morning. Well, maybe when you're watching this is not morning time, but whatever. Maybe someone out there is gonna watch this video in the morning and they'll be like, oh, hi girl, good morning. So it's 9:35, Alan just left for work. I'm about to put some clothes on and head out the door. I actually already cleaned my entire apartment, which feels so good. I like to get up and get things done and just go on about my day. But anyways, yeah, so there's not gonna be any cleaning in this video because I've already cleaned everything. So I get asked all the time, do you drive? And as usual, I just tell everyone the truth that I have anxiety about driving. I don't know where this anxiety stems from because before I got married, I had a car. I would drive all the time. I used to love driving around. I'm thinking maybe it's because of my accident, but at the same time, like my accident wasn't like a car-on-car accident. It wasn't really a normal car accident, which makes it really weird. So I've told the story before, but just like, to make it short and sweet so it's not dragged out. Basically, we were in a parking lot fixing to leave the parking lot. We were actually at my uncle's funeral and the gas pedal got stuck on the mat. And once they hit the gas, it just got stuck and he couldn't stop the truck. So we got in an accident. That's how my accident happened. Literally didn't leave the parking lot. Gas pedal got stuck on the floor mat and that was that. Weird story, I know, but it's true. So maybe that's where my driving anxiety comes from, I don't know. But then I even drove a lot after I got married because when I first got married, I had a Beamer and then later we got a Camaro. Like, so I drove a lot. I don't know what my deal is. I just have driving anxiety. So if I can avoid driving, I do. But you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get some clothes on. I've gotta empty out my purse. I've got so much stuff in my purse, it's literally so heavy. And if I showed y'all what was in here, you would be like, Charity, why are you even carrying all that random stuff? I'm just random, I guess, I don't know. I do need to take these out of my purse though. I just got these yesterday. Remember, I keep telling y'all for months now that I need to repurchase these two products. I finally did because I was so sick of that dried out mascara. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna head over to my mom's. I don't know what I'm doing today, but we're just gonna go with the flow. This is just gonna be like a random video. I don't even know what's gonna happen, what I'm gonna do, or what I'm gonna film. But I guess let's just get started. First off, we have the oh so magnificent Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Cookie's such a sweetheart. She is such a sweetheart. Then we have the oh so majestic Kiki. Kiki likes to model. She thinks she is America's Next Top Model, and she is not afraid to show it. She has fluffy white fur. She has crystal blue eyes that look like the ocean, a little black cute nose. She has mittens on her feet, whiskers that are so sweet. Did y'all see how she was posing though? Look at that girl. Look at that baby girl. She knows how to pose. See, she's posing right now. She thinks she's getting her picture taken. She thinks this is a photo shoot. She thinks she's going to model. And you know what? I think she's gonna, oh, she's showing her side smile. Yes, girl, show that little snaggly tooth there. I see it, baby. I see you, baby. I see your toes. I see your toes. Oh my God. Hers just, oh my gosh. Look at that girl. Look at that girl performing. Look at that girl performing for everyone. Oh, now she's gonna clean her coat for y'all so you can see that she is a clean girl. She is a clean girl who maintains her beautiful fur. Kiki, what happened? You just had a moment of craziness, huh? Oh my gosh. Kiki. And then you already know who's coming up next. We got the little baby sister here. She's number 3. She's a little baby girl. Is you the baby sister? You're the baby of the 3 girls? Oh my God, look at you, girl. Look at you. Oh, here we go. Cookie loves the camera. Cookie loves the camera. Cookie loves the camera, huh? Yes, her do. Yes, her do. Oh, she wants to model. Girl, we ain't got time. Okay, all right. Okay, baby. We ain't got time for this, but I mean, if you want to show a couple poses, go ahead and do it. Go on, my girl. Show your beauty. Her little pink nose and the little pink ears. Oh my gosh, she precious, huh? She just a precious girl. Yes, there is. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay. Oh dang. These girls are so sweet this morning. Okay, so like I said, I've already cleaned my place. I need to turn these off before I go, so glad I actually just seen that. There's a couple things I still need to do. I mean, it's not perfect, but girl, I got it done. Canoli, what you doing? Okay, so I look a total mess right now, but that's okay because I have errands to run and God only knows what I'm gonna be doing, so it doesn't really matter. Anyway, I'm about to start driving. I'm not gonna be filming while I drive, obviously. I've gotta push this seat up because Alan's way taller than me. I'm way shorter and my foot doesn't reach the pedals. Someone asked the other day if I had a Halloween picture in the truck. I do, I need to take it out. I keep forgetting. So what happened was this, like all my Halloween stuff was in my parents' garage because we don't have storage here at our apartment, which really sucks, but it's whatever. Anyway, so my parents are moving out of their house, so I packed up all my stuff, or took all my stuff that was in their garage and put it elsewhere. But this picture was like the last thing I had forgot to grab, so I grabbed it one day, put it in the truck, and it's been in here ever since. But yeah, this is one of our like fall Halloween pictures we put on the wall during fall and Halloween. Anyway, so yes, there's a Halloween picture in our truck. Putting my seatbelt on, safety first. I gotta run a few places. I gotta call my mama because I'm gonna head over there also. But yeah, I'm gonna listen to George Strait real quick. I'll see y'all in a minute. Hi, I look a mess. I need to put this hair up. This hair's setting me crazy, y'all. I'm about to shave my head. But anyway, I just got to my mom's. And I'm gonna grab my little backpack. I got some of Alan's work clothes that need to be treated because he got, I forget what he got on it yesterday whenever he was working, but I need to treat it and wash it, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm about to walk in, but I wanted to show you these flowers outside of my mom's house. So cute, even though, I mean, they're fixing to move, but still cute. So yeah, their house is pretty much empty, except the washer and dryer and some other things are still in here. Oh, that's some bright light. Anyways, I'm just waiting on my mom to get dressed. We're gonna run to the store. We got a couple things we gotta do, so I still need a shower, but that's another story. So this is what's going on in the pants. I'm actually gonna try this and see if that would help. I don't know if it'll help. I know my mom has another stain remover thing here, which is this. So I'm gonna try that on these because Alan likes these pants and I don't wanna have to throw them away. I don't know how I always end up doing this. I always end up forgetting that I'm doing a day in the life. Anyways, so I ended up, me and my mom went to the store. We had a couple things we had to do, and then I took a shower over there, and I just got home. Well, after I got out of the shower, Alan said he was on his way home, so I was like, okay, I'll go home, whatever. Anyway, so I left my mom's without putting my eyebrows on. So as soon as I got home, I was like, I need to put on my eyebrows. So I just got done putting on my eyebrows. Before I left earlier, I got 2 packages at my door. I got a paparazzi and a Boxycharm. So I think I'm gonna do like a little unboxing really quick. I'm waiting to hear back from Alan, he's on his way, so let's do a quick unboxing before he gets home. So I'm assuming this is the August Boxycharm because it's August. This one feels like it has good weight to it, so I hope there's good stuff in here. All right, so as always, I'm supposed to tell you that I got this complimentary from Boxycharm. Let's see what we got. Here's my little paper that reminds me, but I remember this time, Boxycharm. Anyways, this is the Boxycharm Go All Out, and the box that I got is C2108066BA Heart. So that's the box I got. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a palette on top and stuff underneath. I'm just gonna go straight in with the palette. Let's get our paper ready for price reference. Remember that the base box is $25, and the box is always filled with goodies that are much more than $25. So we got a Laura Geller Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. This is what the packaging looks like. This retails for $45. Base box $25, $45 palette. Laura Geller, good stuff. Oh, those are pretty, very neutral. So we've got lots of neutral shades in here. Very neutral, simple, everyday kind of colors. I'm not the biggest fan of shimmer eyeshadows though. I'm more of a matte girl, but I do like to switch it up sometimes because I do like variety. So this is $45 for the Laura Geller Casual Collection eyeshadow palette. Let's see what else we got in here. Next up, we got a Manna Kadar Skincare Hydrating Face Mist. Known as one of the natural wonders of the world, the Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium, are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize, and strengthen the skin. Let's see how much this goes for. This is $19, so it retails for $19. This smells so good. Woo! Let's put this hair back because my hair literally just air dried. I'm not trying to get this hair back undry. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. That smells amazing. Whew. I love it. Hydrating face mist. What is this? Y'all, this is called Booty Drops. Frank Body Booty Drops. Firming Body Oil. Caffeine, a butt forklift, and grapeseed oil for a baby soft booty? I bet I could put this on my face too, I think, right? Okay, let's see. This retails for $17. What? Okay, that's cool. I like it, I like it. I'll try it, I'll try it. All right, next up we got Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Lash Enhancer. Oh, is this a lash serum? Because I've already been using another lash serum. I can't be using 2 lash serums, but it came in the Boxycharm box, so let's see. Probiotic Lash Enhancer with patented peptides. Uh-oh. Yep. It's a lash serum, y'all. It's okay. I guess the more the better. Oh, this retails for $68. Girl, that's actually the most expensive thing in the box. $68 for this lash serum. Hey girl, hey. My eyelash is gonna be looking fly because I'm already using a different one from Sassy. But anyway, let's see what we got next. What is this? It looks so cute. Oh my gosh, it's a product from Truly. Cool. It's a CBD glossy lip butter, pineapple haze. It has 50 milligrams of CBD, pineapple mango, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. How much does this retail for? $16. I've always wanted to try the Truly products. Look at that. Y'all, I'm not gonna want to touch that because it's so cute, but I'm totally about to. You see how adorable that is? Oh, this is exciting. And it has CBD in it. Oh, I hope I'm using this right. I guess I should have read the instructions. Okay. It's just like it's a lip butter. Hope I didn't put too much. I really needed this though. Oh my gosh, this was like an answered prayer because my lips have been so chapped. I don't know why, but they just have. But this feels so good. Pineapple. That's so adorable. All right, so that's everything I got in my Boxycharm this month. Got some really good stuff. I'm excited about all this. This is good stuff. I like it. I can't wait to use it all. Man, this lip butter This is good. This is really good. It's so moisturizing and it's really helping my chapped lips right now. Awesome. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna put everything back in the box for now because my room is clean and I'm not trying to make an extra mess. I'm gonna spray some more of this on my face though because I really like it. So I'm waiting on Alan to get home. I think we're actually gonna be running to the store because I need to pick up a couple things with him. I'm good to go with my eyebrows, y'all. Good to go. But I guess I'll probably film a little bit more later. I don't know. Should I? I really want to go check on my flowers because I've been gone all morning. And I'm going to check on my sunflower because I've been waiting for her to bloom and she's finally just blooming. But she was like half bloomed yesterday and I'm really excited to see her grow and bloom. Also, I literally just did all this laundry yesterday at my mom's and I need to put it all away. I haven't done that yet, but I'm gonna get around to it. Don't y'all worry. Was that you outside of my door crying? Ooh. Sorry, girl. Hello, pretty princess. Okay, so over here we've got some bell peppers growing. I mean, you can't tell, but it's my seeds have sprouted. And they're looking good. Oh my gosh, you guys, look! My sunflower! Hey girl! Oh wow, it's so awesome. And then look down here, a little baby one is coming. That's so cute. This little flower or rose is dead, but check out this one. Ooh, is she pretty. So I ended up trimming down my wavy petunias and I really like this because they were getting out of hand. But anyway, look at my planter. Remember the one I got from the Dollar Tree? It worked out perfect for these. Y'all, I swear my brain is not working correctly right now. Hold on. I was sitting outside and I was like, I wonder what this booty drop smells like. I know that's so silly, but I literally thought about that and realized normally I open stuff and then I smell it. Why didn't I open this box and show this bottle and why didn't I smell it? Is it because it said booty on it or something? And my brain was like, nah, girl, don't do it, girl. I'm not gonna do it. Nobody's gonna know. TikTok reference, by the way. Anyways, I need to open them. I didn't even, like, I'm shocked at myself. Like, normally I would. I gotta put some of this on my hand. Hold on. I gotta feel this. The booty drops. The booty drops. That sounds like a dance or something. Yeah, you know what? Honestly, I understand it has caffeine in it, but they actually should have put something like, they should have made it like a good scent. I wish I could smell it. Can you smell it? I mean, I'm gonna try it out, but as far as the smell goes, here, let's see what the heck? For best results, use daily before twerking. Okay. We're gonna see what Cookie thinks about this because Cookie is a major sniffer. She has to smell everything. She's like a sniff spurt. So let's see, here we go. Cookie, you were gonna lick it? You like it that I guess I embarrassed her because she was gonna lick it. But yeah, it smells like weird coffee beans.